Hi, and welcome to this quick run through of how the NicheBlasta YouTube Reoptimizer works. First of all, you go to YouTube accounts and add your Google accounts. If you have any accounts that have more than one channel, then they'll appear on the drop-down list, so you can work with one specific channel or you can add all of them. Now, there is a limit on the front end for just 10 channels in total, but that should meet more than most people's needs. Then we head over to the Home tab and go to the Reoptimize Videos option here, and I've already started a new project. To load up your videos, simply click on Import. It'll bring up a list of the first 50 videos for that channel. If you want to load up more, simply click on More, and it will take that 50 up to 100, etc. Keep going until you've got all the videos that you want to consider working with. And for these videos, you can reorder them by the published date, by the category, by the number of views, and either click on the column title itself, or if you click on the icon next to it, you can put in more criteria and filter your search details even further. So for instance, if we wanted to just find those videos with a specific topic in them, such as WP for WordPress, I can pop in WP, click on OK, and it'll narrow it down to just the videos that mention WP for WordPress. Then simply go through and tick the videos that you want to be working with. Once you've selected the ones you want, click on Add Selected Videos. They'll appear in your list of videos ready to work with. Out of the examples that we have here, I'm going to go with installing WP with Softalicious. Now, if I actually go across to my browser window and have a look at this video, if I scroll down, you'll see this video is actually 8 years old. It's not had a lot of views on it, and there's very little in there by way of a description, and the title itself isn't particularly clickbaity or exciting to get people to click through and watch. So it's a very basic video that I put up 8 years ago that hasn't really been optimized. Perfect example of what Reoptimizer can help you with. So all I'm going to do is tick the box next to this video, then I'm going to click on Generate, and I'm going to choose New Metadata based on the transcript and let it go away and start doing its work. Now, this is going to take the transcript from YouTube and use that with the AI to detect what the best description and title and keywords and tags for this video will be. And it will take a moment or two to download the transcript. Obviously, if it's a new video that you uploaded, then you have to wait for the transcript to be ready. But you saw that was very quick, and it says the task is now completed. So if I now double click on this video, it'll come up. You'll see we've got a new title for it. We've got 3 paragraphs of a description. We've got a whole bunch of tags. If we're not happy with these, we can click on the tag grabber, which comes up in a new window. I can pop in a keyword or a series of keywords, and it can start scraping for new tags based on that keyword. So we're getting the automation that we want, but we still have control. We can pick the tags that we want to add in as extra tags. This has basically pulled in another 100 keyword tags based on our seed keyword, and I can go through and pick any of these that I want to include. Once I've chosen the ones I want, I can add those in as well. I won't bother because we've already got a good set of tags in here. The point being, you've got control as well as the automation. We've got hashtags as well. We can pop in a first comment to be automatically posted for us. So I'm going to simply pop in an extra first comment here, so the system will post that once I update this. I'm also going to put in a call to action text. So let's say watch the free SEO tweaks video here and the CTA link, which takes them to an opt-in page. And I'm going to select the video category from the drop down list. That's dropped off the bottom of the screen, but I'm going to go with how to. Then simply click on save. And bear in mind, most of that's done for us automatically. I'm just making some tweaks to it before I then go ahead and start updating the videos. This will do it just for the one video that I've ticked, but you could be doing it for a batch of videos at the same time. So I'll simply click on start updating videos, and already that task has completed. That's how quick it really is. So if we now go back to the browser and hit refresh to refresh this video, it takes a moment to come up, but you'll see we now have a new description, new title, all done for us by the Reoptimizer with new tags, new keywords, and that was done in seconds. Now let's quickly head back and do the next step, which is to start updating the key moments for this video. Now this is something that personally I haven't done a great deal of with my videos because it usually takes so long to get done and isn't easy to do. Now the Reoptimizer has already done it, and you saw that happened in moments. So again, let's click on OK. Let's go back to the video page itself and hit refresh, and it takes a moment or two to come up. But for now, click on more. You'll see in the description down the bottom we have the key moments all added to the description for us with the time tag. hashtags and the actual screenshots going through the video. So that's all added for us, and again that really helps with optimizing your videos for YouTube. So just in a few clicks, the software has gone through and optimized using AI from the transcript of the video. It's optimized the title and made sure it's catchy and grabs people's attention, gets them to click through, but is still congruent with the video. It's added 3 paragraphs of a description for us, again based on that transcript. It's added hashtags, it's added keywords for us, it's added a call to action link, it's added some key moments and the timeline for that, all to our description, optimizing that video, and it's done it for us. To do that manually would take me normally 15, 20, maybe 30 minutes to get it done. The software does it for you in a few clicks, and you can do it not just for one video at a time, you can do it for as many videos as you want, and that will work for new videos as well as old videos. That's the core of Video Reoptimizer. It makes it so easy to get that done in moments with just a few clicks. Now for this launch, we are including some extra bonuses. There is the Video Script Blaster, which will create video scripts for you based on different copywriting techniques for new videos for you. And there is a bonus case study on getting traffic to your channels and to your videos themselves, where Tony goes through how he got 75,000 views on one of his videos for less than 1/3 of a cent per view. And that's a great way of building up your audience and building up your channel. The last bonus is there's also a Chrome rank checker to check the ranks of your videos as well. Thanks very much for watching. Please scroll down the page, check out the full details and jump on board now while you can.